Did you know that Jatinga, a small village in Assam, India, is known for a mysterious phenomenon involving mass bird suicides? Since the 1930s, birds fly into the village, crashing into buildings, trees, and even people, resulting in numerous fatalities. Despite investigations, the cause of this bizarre behavior remains unknown, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This unique phenomenon continues to captivate scientists and locals, sparking both wonder and bewilderment. The mysterious mass bird suicides of Jatinga leave us questioning the inexplicable wonders of the natural world. Comment below with your thoughts on this astonishing historical fact. Like and share for more captivating stories from the past. See you all in the next video. Good day.